Okay, which expression, which, statement best describes the transformation shown in the diagram below? Well, they don't give me any clues, like there's no mirror, there's no point drawn in. All I have is my pre-image. I know the top is the pre-image because of the absence of prime notation. It's not there, right? And what's beneath, what's at the bottom, is my image, the result of my transformation because of the presence of these prime notations. And they're saying which of these choices best represents what happened. First of all, I'm looking at the size, all right? These shapes are the same size. Okay, they're the same size. That's called an isometry. So I'm not even looking at the answers. I'm just putting down what I know. And there's two kinds of isometries. There's direct, and there's also opposite. Okay? And direct and opposite are talking about orientation. So to check orientation, we're going to go with A to B and then to C. All right? And this, follows the motion of a clock. This is clockwise orientation. Now, using the same letters in the same order, A, then B, then C, A to B, and then B to C. Now I'm going against the clock. This is counterclockwise. Okay, so this isn't direct, it's opposite. Orientation was switched. So if I look at my answer choices, I'm going to focus on orientation. Number one, same orientation, hell no. Opposite orientation, true. 3, same orientation, no, I can rule that out. Number 4, opposite orientation, yeah, definitely that. And then it says reflection or translation. I know we haven't covered translation yet, but translation means to move, all right? And it's like a shift. So if it's A, B, C, when you translate it, it's moving some distance. See, it's still like the same, it's not flipped at all right? This here isn't a translation because look, it's getting flipped. It's getting flipped across that x-axis. And you can see that the rule for reflecting across the x-axis applies. Keep your x, 7, negate your y, becomes -3. And if you were to check all the vertices, you can see that happens. And in fact, in translations, when we cover it, it's going to tell you orientation does not get reversed, all right? A would be here, B would be here, C would be here. This is clockwise. This is still clockwise. So this number 4 was an absurd answer. It certainly couldn't be that. It's got to be number 2.